We are all in love with the Phalaenopsis, aren't we? Gosh, the fresh Phalaenopsis are gorgeous, but boy, take a look at these. You can't tell the difference, right? Except for they're not as expensive and they're not as fragile, but they give you that look of that fresh Phalaenopsis and they're fabulous. So let's make a design in the new Laurel container. I'm going to use the orchids, some magnolia leaves for some depth, and make a flowing arrangement with our Phalaenopsis. If you were here with me, you would have to come up to these orchids and actually feel them to see that they weren't real. They're that real touch and they're a beautiful orchid.